put a new battery in my bike. And that little doodad for the seat fell out. So what do we do? Gotta take the whole back tire off? Oh no! Nah, watch this. Okay, I got a new one. Don't buy it from Harley Davidson for like 95 bucks. Get it on Amazon, like $11. And it came with this. Nice chrome knurled nut. No one's gonna see it anyway, but at least I don't have to dig for a screwdriver if I have to take the seat off. Okay, so the device slides into that hole, and there's a little notch. I don't know if you can make it out. We just do this. You need 2 zip ties. I'll put this clip in my mouth. Okay, zip tie number 1. It's going to come up on the bottom. Zip tie number 2. Put it in right here. Angle it so it comes down out this side. Okay. Slide that. You just gotta twist it so the little slot, the little notch goes in the slot, just like that. Take my little plastic clip and slide it on. Problem solved. Snip the zip tie and let's push it down a little bit so we can get our hands on it. And she's in there nice. Make it as tight as you can make it. And as a little bonus, you only waste 1 zip tie.